Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini meatloaf mummies. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. So first, for the mini meatloaves, which I already have this recipe online, but we're going to make this a little more spooky this time. You need a pound of some kind of meat. I'm using ground beef. You could use turkey or chicken. A 16-ounce package, or I'm sorry, a 6-ounce package of some kind of stuffing. A cup of water. 3/4 cup of shredded cheese, whatever kind you like, and then a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then also some, I'm not going to say how much of the barbecue sauce, because again, that's how your preference. I like to use a lot of barbecue sauce in mine. And then to make the mummies, we're going to use just some instant mashed potatoes, and then I'm going to use the peas out of these peas and carrots. I'm going to make all of it, but I'm just going to use the peas for the eyes of the mummy. So if you want to go ahead and get started, let's preheat our oven to 375, and we are going to spray a muffin tin with cooking spray. Alright, so in this big bowl I have my meat. You don't want to cook that first. You just want your raw meat in there, and your stuffing, your cup of water, and my garlic powder. So now I'm just going to mix that all together with my hands and put it into the prepared muffin tins. Alright, everything is mixed together, and I just put it evenly into this muffin, the muffin tin, and then you just want to kind of make an indent down into each one, and we are going to pour barbecue sauce on there and sprinkle cheese on top. Alright, my barbecue sauce is added into each one, and I'm sorry, we do not put the cheese on yet. So you just want to go ahead and fill it up as much or as little as you want with your barbecue sauce. Then we're going to stick this into the oven uncovered for 30 minutes. Alright, my meatloaf minis have just come out of the oven. Now I'm going to sprinkle those with cheese and put them back in there for about 5 minutes. Alright, after your meatloaf minis are back in with their cheese, have a look at mine right here. I'm going to go ahead and make my potatoes according to the back of the package. So I'm just boiling 4 cups of water because I have the family size potatoes. Right, my potatoes are all mixed and ready to go. I'm just letting them cool off a little bit. And I've already made my peas and carrots in the microwave. As you can see, the steam coming off of those. So we're going to let those sit, and our meatloaf minis are almost ready. Alright, the meatloaf minis have also just come out of the oven, so we're going to let everything cool off a little bit, and then we're going to pipe on our little mummies. Alright, my mummies are piped on. I just put my mashed potatoes in a Ziploc bag. You want to make sure that they cool off. Mine were still really hot, so I used my oven glove to make the mummies, and they look really cute. I'm really happy with the way they turned out. You know, it's just trial and error, but they look cute. And then you just put in your peas for eyes, and there you go. So now we're going to get these out and see what Taste Tester thinks. I think they turned out adorable. Hey, Taste Tester! A mummy? Have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!